Orsolya here again with some more Cuban Cooking 101 because Ioannis is coming home, so I figured it's the perfect time to show you how to make the black bean soup. So here we have some dried black beans. You can use the canned beans as well, but make sure that you rinse it first. We have actually introduced this as the perfect measure of size, 395 mils of the beans. We'll make sure we cover it with water, like so. As you can see, it is covered in water. So what this will then do is allowing the beans to suck all the moisture in overnight. So as you can see, the beans have soaked overnight, totally changed the color of the water, and they doubled in size. So first of all, we're gonna drain this, like so. We can start cooking. So here I have prepared 1 full onion, some capsicum. Normally Ioannis prefers the green ones, but really any capsicum you can have. We've got some garlic and I've got some carrots this time. I normally would hide some other things in there like celery and white carrot, but it is not traditional to Cuban cooking, so if you don't have it, it's not a problem at all. Now the reason I've got the carrots cut up so little is because I want to make sure that it is hidden and that I can mush it up later on. So then we grab a pot and we put in some oil. If you can get your hands onto some pig fat, it is even better, but vegetable oil will do just perfectly. And then we put this all in. And then we'll brown it. We have wilted the onion and the other vegetables that we have put in here. So now we're just gonna put some salt, and you can never have enough salt. We're gonna put some cumin. It is something that's used in nearly all Cuban cooking. Some oregano paste, some paprika. Now normally in Spanish cooking you would use smoked paprika, but we just have the Hungarian version. Even I'm Hungarian. Stir it, and the best thing to use is some pork or chicken stock, but given that we have none, we're just going to use some vegeta, which is also a stock. So I'll put some in now. And you've seen the little one before. We'll add our beans. Quickly stir it all through. The water, maybe a little bit more. It needs to be just enough to cover it, and then into the boil. And once it's boiling, after that we will let it simmer for a little while until the beans are soft.